How to add quantity options on Shopify. So first go to your dashboard here and then just click on the online store at the left side. Okay, now just click on customize here. Okay, now click on homepage at the top and then click on products, then click on default product. Okay, now you'll see your products here. And then what you need to do is just hover your mouse over here, then click on the plus icon here, then look for quantity selector, this one. Click on it, and then as you can see, now you have a quantity here. Now you just need to click on save, exit, and just check out our store, catalog. Then as you can see, now we have a quantity here. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.